Warm regards to everyone here. Today I'll be presenting on wet detection using deep learning techniques. This is the slide of my weekly activities. My aim is to present two approaches for weed detection and its comparison with the existing approaches. This is how we will proceed for this presentation. Project objectives can be defined as shown here. Firstly, methodologies are surveyed. Based on the survey, brinjal crop is chosen as it is not used in the papers referred. Two architectures are proposed for weed detection. One is feature extraction approach and second is feature segmentation approach. Both of these are compared keeping in mind the different parameters for classification and segmentation approach. As we can see in figure 1, losses due to weed is 45%. Moreover, brinjal is the crop having higher nutritional value as well as it has higher production. India ranks second in brinjal production and brinjal is the third most produced vegetable in India. This can be seen in figure 2 and 3. Two aims were identified for carrying out literature survey. First was for determining various methodologies. Table 1 and 2 were made. Classification approach is FEA and segmentation approach is FSA. The types of algorithms and the aim of the paper were taken into consideration for the survey. The other aim was to compare the accuracies for all available techniques in FEA. For FSA, different metrics are used which are different from case to case. Here dataset description is given. 117 images spread over 3 crops of brinjals, that is 3 types of brinjals, were taken with a 48 megapixel camera. 37 images were taken from a height of about 2 meters to get the crops and weed together along with the crop row. 80 images were taken of weeds and crops separately from a close distance so as to help with the training of the dataset. Soil was segmented manually from each of them, which is the 8 detected images. These images were taken in a field situated in the Gandhinagar city of Gujarat state of India. Out of the two architectural models, this is the first one, feature extraction approach. Here, both the models are divided into three parts: data set processing, model pre-processing, training and testing, followed by results. In dataset pre-processing, dataset is collected. Then for augmentation, images are blurred, horizontally flipped and rotated manually. Dataset pre-processing also includes normalization of the dataset, that is same size for all the images. In model pre-processing, segmenting the soil from the background is carried out, which is soil segmented images. Then RGB rotated, blurred and flipped images are used, and both the images are then fed to GLCM, which is gray level co-occurrence matrix, for secondary feature extraction. For training and testing, k nearest neighbor model is used, and other features are extracted in this. The labels are assigned to all the features extracted and then the model is trained. The model is then analyzed by calculating the efficiency parameters. Here, KNN was implemented for sample dataset of 35 images and the following values were obtained for K equals 10, 20, which is accuracy, precision, recall and F1 score. Implementing KNN on fully edge detected dataset was improved the efficiency parameters. The same can be seen in this graph. As we can see in the table, the accuracy of 95.52% was achieved as opposed to the 83% accuracy of the reference model. The other metrics are also compared in this table. The graph describes other papers which also implemented the same approach but obtained lesser accuracy than the proposed model. In FSA, data processing remains the same as FEA. In model processing, feature extraction is done using CNN. The features extracted are shape and size. CNN is used but as it is robust in object detection. The model is trained using SegNet, which is the segmentation approach of machine learning. In segmentation approach, pixel-wise detection is done. Hence, CNN detects the object and the accuracy is enhanced using pixel-wise detection of SegNet. In order to further increase the accuracy, conditional random field is implemented. It includes neighboring predicted values as well The IOU score is calculated, which is the accurate metric for determining the efficiency of segmentation. It is 0.9811 for this model. It is more than what the reference papers calculated for their model. 120 epochs of CNN were carried out, and the CNN accuracy obtained was 97.86%. Here, I conclude my presentation with the major takeaways. This paper is submitted in Microprocessors and Microsystems Journal or Elsevier. Soil was segmented using edge detection technique. In classification approach, KNN plus GLCM was used. Labels were identified using the feature extraction done by GLCM. The accuracy of that model obtained was 95.52%. In segmentation approach, CNN plus segnet was used. Labels were identified using the features extracted after implementation of CNN. The IOU score of that model was 97.69%. In classification approach, the paper taken for references has the highest accuracy with edge detection as 94.28%, while our paper has 95.52%. The references taken for segmentation approach has the highest IOU score of 89.01%, while our paper has obtained 97.69%. The future work includes real-time applications and the research of other applications with comparable efficiency parameters. For the same, the dataset has been made public and uploaded on the given link. With this, I conclude my presentation, and these are the references. Thank you.